Hi, my name is Steve Cavalaris with ElectricalTime.com. We are here with Benny from Hubbell, and Benny's going to show us a great new product that I think it's a real time saver in the industry. So go ahead, Benny. Show us what you got.
Hi, Steve. Thank you very much. So what we have here is what we call Hubbell's new Edge Connect technology. We've launched it in twist lock devices and straight blade receptacles as well. We're showcasing it here this year at NECA for the first time ever. What it is,
just want to take 30 seconds to let you know what we do here at electricaltime.com. We do online electrical classes from the comfort of your home. And then we also have this free service. So if you click on the subscribe for free NEC questions, Monday through Friday, you'll get an NEC code question and an answer sent to your email. All right, so back to our video.
we've removed all the traditional screws that you would have on the side of a device, which takes about a master electrician a minute and a half to wire up. So with this device, all you do is insert the wire into the wiring chamber, press that down, and you're done. From our time studies, we've seen it be anywhere from a 4-to-1 saving. So you could wire 4 of these devices up in the time you did 1 screw terminal device. On a large scale, that saves you a whole lot of time and a whole lot of labor. It also removes the need for tape and torque screwdrivers, which are part of the new code. So not every electrician has to carry one around, and saves you a lot of time and effort. We are coming out with plugs, connectors, and all other devices, switches, toggles, decorators, the whole 9 yards in this. So something that we're really proud to be showcasing this year.
So Benny, you mentioned something really important. Benny mentioned torquing. So that's a requirement of the National Electrical Code. And if you buy anything like a receptacle or a switch, and you look at the instructions, it's going to have torquing information on how tight you're supposed to be making those screws, those terminals. So with this device here, you really can't make any mistakes at all.
Yep, 0 mistakes. We make it as easy as possible. That's why we've also color-coded the plungers as well, to make it easily identifiable for every customer to be using. And to your point, the code and instruction sheets list torque requirements. It's hard. It's different for every manufacturer. It's not the same, so everybody's got to keep track depending on who's you're using. This removes all the needs for that as well.
You know, Benny, I really like this. It makes it simple. You got it color-coded over here. So it's very difficult for the electrician to make a mistake. And also, as an electrical inspector, if I see this, I know that everything is hooked up right. It looks like you made it, I'm going to say this is idiot-proof at this point. I also see that you have the tab here. Can you explain what that tab does?
Absolutely. So we left the break off tab here. So now there's a lot of requirements for energy savings in universities, hospitals. So when you walk out of a room, you want the lights to turn off, or you want some devices to turn off. So this tab that we have here, you can still break it off. So you can either control the top or the bottom half, leaving it as a controlled receptacle. So devices that are plugged into one or the bottom or the top outlet will turn off as it's hooked up to a sensor or hooked up to a switch, so you could turn it off. So we left that capability still inside the device.
Okay, great. It's a nice product. It's simple. You can actually see the conductors inside there. You guys did a great job at designing this.
Thank you very much. No, we're proud to have it. Thank you.
All right, thank you again, Benny. And thank you for being on our show here at electricaltime.com.